It's the 13th of June 2008. This is almost certainly the final ever public walk through Riverside Walk in Guildford, running underneath Millbrook. Familiar passageway for decades really, but it's soon to be filled in, and I thought it was important that I actually come down here and record it, because I don't think there's anything really around of film or photographs of it itself. So in the years to come this is going to be some kind of archive. Not that there's actually much down here now, a lot of it's being taken away. Okay, thanks. No, it's fine, you can carry on, it's not a problem, thank you. You see much of the walls have gone, little bits of the murals are left. Where that buggy is where I used to go busking with the mates every weekend. Won't be doing that anymore. Let's say this is all due to be filled in with concrete. This is now on the west side of the High Street, so down on the riverside, with Debenhams just over there. And that's it, the final MPEG clip to ever be taken of here.